and welcome to Wilderness Wanderers.
Today we are at Tahquitz Canyon and we're hiking the trail up to Tahquitz Falls.
That's in Palm Springs.
Here we go.
Follow me to the sunshine, come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb, I know somewhere that you and I, we can stay wild, wild. We can stay wild, wild.
Tahquitz Canyon is located on the outskirts of Palm Springs. Turn onto North Indian Canyon Drive, and this will take you directly into the parking lot.
This 2-mile trail is rated easy on all trails, but it does have some rocky sections and high steps. There is no shade on the trail, but little at the falls. This is an interpretive trail, so make sure to grab a trail guide.
My home is not a highway, a straight road to follow, one well-known golden pavements I roam.
If you're enjoying this hike so far, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
Just a little ways up the trail and I already have met a few people, and it's really early in the morning on a Friday. So I'm going to say that this trail is highly trafficked most of the time.
Tracks, no turning backs. I'm in deep. I'm still alive.
Oh, that's going in the video.
Still moving along. Still wondering. I'm still lighted. I'm still keeping on. Still wondering. I am not lost. I'm still just wondering. My aim.
Kevin and I had plans to go up into the San Gorgonio wilderness today. We were going to go up to Fish Creek, but the weather said it was going to be really cold and probably raining, and we didn't want to do that. So the beauty of living in Southern California is we just came to Palm Springs where it's lovely and sunny and warm. So warm, in fact, it's quite nice to get into the shade. Let's keep going.
I'm still out here and I'm still moving along, still wondering. I'm still lighted, I'm still keeping on, still wondering. I am not lost, I'm still just wondering.
We're about 3/4 of a mile in, and the trail does go to the right, but Kevin and I got so caught up with taking photographs of the pretty water that we went that way, which was incorrect. So when you get to this sign, don't miss it and go to the right.
I will be fine where I go. I am not certain.
Just met a really nice couple who wanted to know if we knew of any other longer hikes here. We told them about the Murray Canyon hike, which we'll put a link to below, which is a lot longer than this one. This is quite a short hike. Also, we told them, to head over to Indian Canyons, which has a lot more.
Our friend is telling us a story right there. Listen.
This is being lost, may I never be found. I'm still out here and I'm still moving along, still wondering. I'm still lighted, I'm still keeping
here. It's a great hike.
I see a light shine, wanna let it in from the outside. Feel it on my skin right away, oh. You got what I like. When you're not around, I don't feel right. Like you use you right now, right away, daylight, put the sun on me now. Gonna soak up what you're giving. Daylight, there's something about you when you show up. Oh, I'm living. I come alive, alive, alive every time.
There isn't much water right now, but as you can see, people are enjoying it. So we decided to do the loop. You can obviously just go back the exact way you came, but if you get different views and different ideas of what you can see out here, we want to make sure we share that with you, so we're going to go this way. This is not a difficult trail, but it certainly has some large steps, and everything is on a footpath, but definitely does have some areas where you have to step up high.
Misha, I'm from Long Beach, California.
I'm Travis from Kentucky.
Well, welcome to California, Travis. That's very cool.
Where are you from?
I'm from England originally.
Nice. I was just sending videos and pictures to my friends in England.
Every time you do. I come alive, alive when I see you alive. Yes, I do. I come alive. Yes, I do. Went away for a little too long. I held out when I should have been carrying on. Now I see I was so lost. I should have called at the very least. Would it say unknown on your caller ID?
I think it's an alternative way back. Let's see, so here we are, Interpretive Trail. Let's go up here and see what's in the caves.
I'm ready for action. So let me tell you, I'm ready to jump right back in.
It's like a cave right here, like a primitive living area maybe. The Indians used to live up this way. Sometimes you can find the morteros where they grind the acorns.
Yeah, I'm ready now to know. Yeah, I'm ready to go again. Ready to go again. Took a minute, but I figured out that no one never really has it all figured out. Fall down, get up, and repeat. Don't believe it, let me demonstrate it. I took apart who I was and I rearranged it. I'm better than
We hope you enjoyed our trip up to Tahquitz Falls. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Hey, you can also follow us on social media. We're on Instagram and Facebook.
If you're not a subscriber yet, what are you waiting for? We drop new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. From Kat and Kev, your wilderness wanderers, we'll see you on the trail.